Hey guys, so I want to talk about the World Cup in general and how our United players to perform for the World Cup. Some United players don't jar, while some still remain. Some of the ones we don't jar now, Matic, Rojo. The ones we still did are Paul Pogba, Marcus Rashford, Jesse Lingard. Fred still did the competition, but he never played any match. All the three matches we Brazil get for group stage, he never featured for anyone. I dey hear rumors say Man United won't buy League Grant, now Stoke City keeper, guy will be 35 years. I beg, wetin they won't carry am do? E don't come to my notice say many United fans dey diss David De Gea because of how he take perform for World Cup. If una go ask me, the only blunder we do for World Cup and the second goal Ronaldo score against them when Spain dey play versus Portugal. The team we are the team to lift the World Cup trophy na Belgium. Why Belgium? Alexis Sanchez dey support Belgium because him and Lukaku be padi. Another team where I go like carry am if Belgium no fit carry am na France because I be huge Paul Pogba fan and I go like make the guy carry am. Also, they feel England because many of our players dey there.